One thing I will say is we have truck drivers by day, superheroes by night, and they wear orange capes. They're not just drivers going up and down the road. They are professional businesswomen and men who operate a business as well. Initially, there was some resistance with us going to be implementing dash cams. However, today, drivers do not want to be without them. There's such a value added to having dash cams in our trucks. But without the cameras, if we had an incident, it was always the he said, she said. There was no proof that we did not do anything wrong. It was just the driver's point of view of what happened, including any police report, witness statement, or what the other party said. It is literally trying to dissect to see where the truth fell, because really there's three parts: his side, her side, then the truth. Since cameras, they have absolutely exonerated our drivers tenfold. They have been worth every penny we have spent on them, and then some. Because not only is it exonerating our drivers, it is settling claims just like that. Whenever something happens, we're able to attack it now. We don't have to wait for reports at the end of the month and then try to work with the driver and talk to him about something he don't even remember possibly even doing. So now with the alerts, with the emails, we're able to address everything as it happens. That's a value.